Jasmy down about $1.48 in the last 24 hours. They thought the price was now at $0, which is very important. The 24-hour trading amount for Jasmy coin is probably around $90,155,432, which is a lot. Jasmy has its next hurdle at $0, or so they thought on April 22, 2023. In this video, we'll walk you through the Jasmy coin price forecast for now and for the next week. We'll also try to answer questions about what the price of Jasmy will be in the future. Jumping very deep into the Jasmy technical test in every way that matters, let's talk about the economy as a whole in a very big way. Market analysis shows that Jasmy has lost about $1.48 in the last 24 hours. In a quiet way, over the last 24 hours, there has been a loss of $1.84, bringing the total value of the digital currency market to $1.154.329.52.83.72. In a quiet way, the total value of the digital currency market is $1.154.329.52.83.72. In a quiet way, the total value of the digital currency market is $1.154.329.52.83.72. In the past 24 hours, the value of Ethereum has gone down by 3.36% to 1854.11, and the value of BNB has gone up by 1.42% to 323.16. In the same time period, the value of XRP, a local currency, has dropped from 3.99 to 45 cents, which is a very significant change. After losing 0.77% of its value, Coco's BCX fell to 60 cents. This shows that the market is going down right now, which is very important. All over the crypto market, there is a general, sorry drop, which is very big in every way that matters. Jasmy coin support and resistance, which is very important, are important technical markers used to find key price levels where the trend could change. The 24-hour trading volume for Jasmy coin is currently around $90,155,432, which is really important support. In this video, we'll sort of walk you through the Jasmy coin price exam for now or for a week from now. We'll also try to answer some of the most frequently asked Claire questions about important topics. What is mostly a short-term cost expectation for the Jasmy coin? Jasmy is down about 1.48% in the last 24 hours, which is a big drop. Here are the coin's support and resistance levels. Jasmy coin's death, the most recent Jasmy coin price is $0, and $90,155,432 have been traded in the last few hours. This shows that support is a level at which buyers become active and stop the coin's price from falling any further. Showing how April 22, 2023, will be in this movie, we'll show you how to figure out how much a Jasmy coin is worth right now or forever. Think about a week from now and try to answer these questions most of the time. I usually got answers to some important questions. What matters most is the short-term price prediction for Jasmy coin, especially since JASM is a kind of smart speculation that is really big as of now. Jasmy is somewhere around 1.48 since yesterday, with a market capitalization of $22,426,275 USD, showing how Jasmy down about 1.48 in the last 24 hours, which goes against what most people think. Examining the value of a Jasmy coin. Jasmy cost analysis for the 22nd of April, 2023 inside and in every practical sense day-to-day time period generally understood under an unobtrusive way. We use genuinely relative strength file moving typical intermixing and distinction backing levels hindrance levels various period of time moving midpoints, such as relatively fundamental moving particularly typical and startling will moving absolutely typical too. Generally look into the future of the Jasmy. In a real sense, the MACD line is still below the sine line after a hybrid, which shows that these events usually show that the market is going in a very downward direction for a short time in a subtle way that Jasmy came up with. Financial backers need to wait for a change in direction on the daily chart. Jasmy coin is moving in every way that matters down. Bears have taken the coin below the immediate support level of $0. This shows that the value of Ethereum has dropped by 3.36%. Most likely, the traders could then focus on the important support levels set at $0, which are usually very important. Over the past 10 days, Bitcoin's value has increased by more than a third, prompting forecasts of a record-breaking cryptocurrency rally in the future months. The leading cryptocurrency in the world attained its highest price of 2023 on Monday morning, surpassing $28,000 after beginning the year below $17,000. Despite the return of optimism to the crypto market as a result of traditional financial crises, the cryptocurrency market is still far from its November 2021 all-time peak of nearly $69,000. Balaji Srinivasan, a former chief technology officer at Coinbase, placed a $2 million wager that the price of one Bitcoin will reach $1 million within the next 90 days. He stated his optimism for Bitcoin's near-term price trajectory by placing the wager. The wager was made on Twitter after user James Medlock wrote that he would wager $1 million against hyperinflation in the United States. Mr. Srinivasan accepted the offer, proposing that if he loses, he will send Mr. Medlock 1 BTC and $1 million worth of the dollar-pegged stablecoin USD coin. If he prevails, he retains both the Bitcoin and the stablecoin. You buy 1 BTC. I will send $1 million, tweeted the former Coinbase executive. The odds are 40:1 given that 1 BTC is worth $26,000. The term is 90 days. Mr. Srinivasan stated that he believed the meteoric price increase would result from the US dollar's hyperinflation. The central bank, banks, and bank regulators have bankrupted all of us, he wrote. Their insolvency was concealed from you, the depositors. And they are about to print $2 trillion to hyperinflate the dollar. In the digital age, this will occur rapidly. Buy Bitcoin immediately and remove your coins from exchanges. The late cybersecurity pioneer John McAfee predicted in 2017 that Bitcoin would surpass the $1 million mark by 2020. Other prominent figures have made similar predictions. In July 2020, when Bitcoin was around $10,000, he said, "I never believed Bitcoin would hit $1 mil. It's absurd. It's in." He was arrested later that year and died in a Spanish prison cell in June 2021 before he had a chance to fulfill the bet.